Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 27. Which of the following is not an agricultural program developed to increase productivity in Nigeria? A. Farm Settlement Scheme. B. Green Revolution. C. National Fertilization Production Program. D. Operation Feed the Nation. E. River Basin Development Authority. So we are looking at agricultural programs developed to increase productivity in Nigeria, and we have 5 of them here. So let's take a look at each of them. So the farm settlement scheme was established to provide farm lands for prospective farmers. So providing farmland as well as settlements, so farm settlements to prospective farmers to carry out agricultural procedures and also for their own use. Then you have the Green Revolution. Now the Green Revolution was designed to promote self-sufficiency in food production. Self-sufficiency in food production. Now, the National Fertilization Production Program isn't exactly recognized as a program. Now, the Operation Feed the Nation was also designed for self-sufficiency in food production. So its goal is similar to that of the Green Revolution. And then you have the River Basin Development Authority, which was basically designed or established for water resource development for agricultural production. So from this, we rightly established that the National Fertilization Production Program is not a program. Therefore, the correct answer is C. National Fertilizer Production Program is not an agricultural program. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.